preview of how the next 2 hours are gonna look, Justin?
Zoom in on Kevin.
Walmart run. Too close.
This is easier. And then I guess if you wanted to move, you could like pull your toes. The little sus.
What's up? Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here on my channel. We are in Denver, Colorado. I have some friends with me behind the curtain. But as you can see, we are about to go into the tundra of the Colorado Rockies. You do not want to miss what we got going on, guys. Skiing the slopes. I got Allie, Kevin, Rosemary, and Justin with me today, and we're gonna have some fun and hopefully not try and freeze to death. But let's go.
Let's go.
Oh. Alright, Justin, we're gonna message.
As soon as possible, yeah. Just ASAP.
I think this message is gonna be better.
No, please don't. My Airbnb rating is at stake.
Grandpa had me change it. It's a little bit better now, I guess.
I'm teaching you how to be socially acceptable and not get flamed in your Airbnb ratings.
What is going on there?
That's not good.
Grandpa's getting smoked out. Update, it's getting worse.
There are no bugs.
We open up the window.
But the fan is flowing out.
going on?
How do you control this?
Guys, you can't really tell, but it's really smoky in here. We're working on solutions to dissipate the smoke.
On the bright side, the smoke detector doesn't work.
On the bright side.
Alright, everybody, give your verdict. Rare or raw?
Rare.
Rare.
Rare. Rare.
Alright. So there's a mysterious beeping noise that's happening. Oh, it just happened. There's this mysterious beeping sound that we cannot figure out where the source is.
It does sound the loudest here.
Trying to find the frequency.
Where
No,
is
I
it?
just started.
We thought it was the microwave. We thought it was the microwave, but it's not. When you stand right next to the microwave, it sounds like it's coming from over here.
From elsewhere.
But then when you stand over here, it sounds like it's coming from here. Where is it? Is it the microwave?
It sounds most like this
The
microwave.
coffee machine?
It sounds like.
I mean, what's the interval in which it's going off?
I think it's a minute, but that was only. There might have been a fluke.
Wait, you should time it so that we can
Verify.
verify some hypotheses. Like, for example, so we've unplugged this microwave.
So theoretically, in a minute.
If
nothing
it still sounds in a minute, then it's not the microwave.
Okay. Now we wait.
That sounded like.
Okay.
That sounded like. It's,
I know,
It
but
sounds like
this is not closed. Watch. This is not closed.
okay, let's close it all the way.
Alright.
Experiment 1, it was not the microwave. Kevin has a theory that every minute it will go off.
That is indeed my theory. What do you think this is?
I think your theory is right.
Oh.
Oh! It's the same sound.
What?
It's the same
What does this
sound.
do?
But it's not as long.
Is it just not locked or something? Here, now we start the minute, and if the minute goes by and nothing happens, then we're good.
Okay, test again. Okay.
Hmm.
That's how we do it.
Actually, just supposed to do it.
Look,
Oops, guys.
Justin, we might have found it.
It's happening.
No way.
I think we're good. Wait, right?
A minute has elapsed.
Wait, so it's a dishwasher?
I think it's because we didn't close it, but I don't know why.
So
Wait, so this entire
No, no.
But then,
Exactly.
like, why
So we
The
just
dishwasher.
tested out various hypotheses, and then if the minute went by and it still beeped.
we knew it wasn't that thing because the sound was coming from this way. And then we thought it was that, but we unplugged it. But after a minute, something still beeped.
Yeah.
And then we tried this one because it was another appliance.
Guys, we did it.
Mystery solved, everybody. It was the dishwasher making that beeping sound the whole time. Now we can all go to bed in peace.
It was more exciting when we thought it was coming from the front door.
Yeah. Good night, everybody. What's up, guys? We just made it in a blizzard day and we all survived. Our thighs are a little dead though, low key. But it's okay, we had a good time. We're gonna go explore the village.
Now we're gonna go shopping.
Uh-oh. We're gonna go see this really cool village here at Vail, so come with us, let's check it out. What's up, guys? We just had another great day of skiing. We couldn't feel our faces half the day, but that's okay because we still got some great runs in. And we got these great Vail sweatshirts. We all match. It's cool. It's kind of a spur of the moment, but here we are. We had to get some merch. Anyways, guys, we'll see you back tomorrow. One final day of skiing and having a great time here in Colorado. Yeah. See ya. A great day of skiing always starts with a healthy breakfast, everybody. Cheers.
Cheers. Last day breakfast.
Mmm.
So cold.
Not as cold as our faces yesterday.
Last time packing.
Pretty packed in, huh, Grandpa?
I mean, look at Allie, not me.
Smash between two boards.
Don't forget to
Rosemary.
look at these two.
Rosemary's like underneath there. Where's Kevin?
Where is that? Oh, Rosemary, it's time for your drumstick. Where's she gonna eat it?
Let's see that happen.
Oh, man.
What's up, bros? It's beautiful. Second round of the day.
Let's go.
Gonna go down cappuccino.
Immaculate conditions, guys. It's amazing today. Oh yeah. Last one. Woo! They're running. What's up, everyone? We made it back to San Jose. We're pretty tired. It's pretty late. We got a little bit of a delay, but it's okay. We had a great trip in Colorado, some great time skiing, and some great memories and great fellowships. So we're gonna end the vlog here, but catch us in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, right, guys? Yeah, there you go. Don't forget, I love you, God loves you, and we are out.